It is our last day in Phnom Penh, and I'm just enjoying this view while we have it, because we're leaving in like an hour. Because we're catching a bus, van, to Karachi. Oh yeah, this is the view.
Oh my god, this huge bird just came up right where we're eating. Like, here's my breakfast, and here's this huge bird. Oh my god.
And it came up to steal my breakfast. Go away.
No, don't shoot it, Marnie. You don't know what it is. You don't know what the process is here.
I just had to read him up here.
He's eating my bacon off my plate.
What kind of bird? What kind?
Oh my god, there's another one. There's another one.
Oh my god. Well, that's an exciting way to start the day. I now have to go get a new breakfast. Oh my god. Oh my god. It just flew closer and then knocked the chair over. Oh my god.
We say goodbye to this amazing place and our room. On with we go. Bus A, party bus. Bus B, quiet sleeping bus. Bus C, luggage. Sleep.
Hello, welcome back to my channel.
Let's go party. Yeah. Party bus, which is also the bus I've been sitting in forever, and I'm also sitting in the same spot because it's in the middle.
Oh my god.
เราส่งทอดมานะเราต้องทอด
We have made it to the Dirty Dolphin, which is our place in Karachi. And apparently it's kind of dodgy. Hello. It's been a couple hours, but so we're actually staying in what is called the Phnom Dolphin Hotel. But the ladies who come here all the time nicknamed it the Dirty Dolphin, because it is the best hotel in Karachi. Honestly, it's not that bad. The Wi-Fi is kind of shitty, but sometimes you get shitty Wi-Fi. The beds are kind of more comfy than the patio, and they're bigger, which is nice. The bathroom's definitely kind of meh, but again, it's honestly kind of just like a motel room. Like, it kind of feels like a motel room rather than a hotel room. So, I stayed in worse. Oh, sorry. I've stayed in worse. I've stayed in better. So, we're only here for 3 nights, 2 days, like, ooh, tired. I'm currently cooling my neck down because I have a little bit more of some heat exhaustion, and yeah, I haven't had enough water because we drove here and I was afraid we wasn't gonna be able to pee, and it's a whole thing. But I have the aircon on, that's all good. Well, it's not, I still feel the thing. I might take some Panadol, see how we go. in an hour. I have to be up for dinner, so I'm hoping to feel better by then.
You can't make this stuff up.
Okay, so it has been a very exciting day. Started the day getting my breakfast eaten by a bird, and I have now finished it by getting bleach poisoned. Now I didn't consume it. I inhaled it. Turns out they cleaned our bathroom with bleach. And so when I got in the shower, it stunk, and I was like, this is like smells really bad. And I kept going, and I was like, it's probably just the shower curtain. It's fine. And then I had the weirdest sensation I've ever had. My nose burnt, and it felt like vodka was going through my nose. That's the kind of sensation it was. And then my whole throat went like, and I was like, oh my god. So now I'm having a strepsil to hopefully get this taste out of my mouth and to soothe my throat a little bit, but I still feel a little icky. Ugh. Hopefully when I wake up, it won't be so bad. That was kind of scary. It's still kind of scary because apparently I've inhaled a lot of bleach fumes and I can feel it in my throat. So, yay. Good night. We're back. No, we're not back at the village. We're in a new village tomorrow. Koh Key. So, hopefully I'll be okay. Just being bleach poisoned. Oopsies.
We'll come back to my
We made it to the village. Hello, we just got back from Koh Key, which is the second village of our trip. It's quite a lot different to EPM because they're not as well off, and there was so much more of them that connections with one of them is so much harder because there's so many of them. But it was still a good day. We did the same first day as we did in EPM, and it was still good, just slightly different. We're dealing with different people and different circumstances. Now we are just freshening up and we are going to lunch. Hello, it is after lunch and we are I just had a nap because that's what I do now. And we're about to go for a bike ride on an island. We're going to catch a ferry to an island and then we're going to bike ride on the island, and it's almost 4 o'clock, so we're going to go.
Welcome back to my channel. Here's my DJs from Australia.
So we are currently sitting next to the rice fields, or they will be when it's wet season. It is not currently. Yeah. Okay, so we just finished our bike ride, and we just got given a coconut. How cute is that? All right, I gotta try it. Okay. It doesn't taste like coconut. I don't know what it tastes like, but I don't hate it. Good morning. It is the last day in the village. Well, for this trip. And that's it. We're done. But it's last day in the village, so I'm not gonna let it go to waste.
I do not need my sunglasses.
Hi. Áo ban.
Bên trong mặc áo Angkor Wat ai bàn là bên trong Angkor Wat sau khi con hàng sau áo mùi.
Oh my god, these are so cute.
Oh.
Hello, we just came back from lunch after our last day in the villages, like at all. Both Koki and EPM, well it's Koki, but we're done now. And so I showered because gross. I was also covered in condensed milk. But now I am on my way to a cafe. I should put my sunglasses on, about to walk outside. Okay, now I've never been here, but directions go left and you can't miss it, apparently. Should I be wearing a hat? Maybe, but I don't think it's that long of a walk. But anyways, I'm going to a cafe. Yeah, we just had lunch. I'm hoping to get chocolate. I haven't had a chocolate drink since we left Phnom Penh. So I kind of miss it. Hello. We came back from the cafe and we had our raw debrief. Our team and our raw debrief. Because this is it. Celine is the only person coming with us to Siem Reap. Everyone else is going back home. And I didn't film in there at all because, well, it's a debrief. It's very, very emotional, very important. and it just didn't feel right to film. That's just, but everyone was amazing. Everyone was very sad that we had to say goodbye, and I've said it before, but like, I'm coming back. I can't not. I don't know when that'll be. Oh, there's someone turning. I don't know when it'll be. I don't know what's happening, but I'm gonna see these people again. We're just heading to, well, dinner, but before dinner we're having drinks and sunset, although I can't even see the sun, so don't know what's happening there, but yeah. Breakfast, and then went back to the hotel, got all our stuff in the vans, and we are heading to Siem Reap. We had to say goodbye to most of the Raw crew because they're going home. It's so sad, but I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna see him again, and it's gonna be all fine. We got to see Dani again, which was good. And I don't know, we're in for a long ride. We just got to the hotel and they have these amazing swing beds in the lobby. And I mean we literally haven't even checked in. We're just waiting and they have these really cool swinging beds. So this is where you'll find me. Hello! I just got to my room and this time I am not sharing with anyone. I have the room to myself. Yeah! Oh. Yeah! But this is my room. Me. I've got these cool robes. I have two of them because obviously you can fit two people in here. Here's my bathroom. I haven't even opened this to actually see what the view is out here. Nothing. Love it. This is going to stay closed then because this is the shower. So I don't really need people seeing that. But that's it. I'm excited, although I'm not excited because I think this is actually the only room in which I can't rig this to stay on. Which I find, wait, are these just the same lights? Oh no. In both other ones I've been able to rig this so that it will stay on when we leave, or when I leave, I suppose. But I cannot find anything that will do it, so RIP. That was meant to be a tear. I just kind of did this. That was meant to be a tear. Anyways, I'm gonna get dressed and go to the pool. Hey guys! Oh wait, that's my thing. We just got in the pool. I'm gonna go out for dinner because our leaders just finished the massage, so I'm very excited. Okay, I'll see you soon. Okay, I wasn't gonna film, but the condensation on my phone is insane. There we go. I was in my nice air-conditioned room this morning, and then I came out into the heat and this one. And my condensation on the phone just is insane. I mean, this wasn't even in the fridge, and it's condensating. That's how warm it is here, yeah. Anyways, I'm going out for breakfast, and then we're going to Angkor Wat. Okay, breakfast is done. We had our morning meeting, and we're getting ready to leave. I just have to go downstairs. Yay! I'm so excited to be back in a tuk-tuk, especially driven by all women. Woo! Oh wow, these are interesting. So here we are at Angkor Wat, which is the first city civilization of Cambodia. I don't know much about it yet, apart from that this moat was hand dug for apparently about like 4 centuries, which is wild. It took 4 centuries to finish. It is very, very hot, which we knew. That's why I have a hat, an umbrella, and cold water. Yeah, hopefully I'll learn some things, explore some temples, have some fun, not get too hot. So apparently there's this one little cave in the whole of Angkor Wat. Cave spot that
echoes when you like hit your chest. And apparently it doesn't work when you clap or when you speak. It's just like hitting your chest, like the vibrations, I suppose. I don't know. Kind of cool. Right here. Right.
I can hear yours like over there. And if you do it here, somebody will.
Let's see if you can hear it.
Yeah. I stopped in the group now.
Can you hear that echo? Miss Kim is the best. Gave us cold, wet towels.
I think we feel so much better.
And nice cold water.
Cold water.
She is the best. If you come to Siem Reap, you know who to go. You know who to get. Your tuk-tuk driver. Hello, hello. So after lunch we went to Royal Beauty and Nail Spa. Haha. So I got a pedicure and a manicure, and I got my nails done. Oh, there we go. And my feet. And currently I stink because Angkor Wat is super hot. Like very hot. It was like 35 degrees, but it felt like 42 because it had like 58% humidity, and it was just like, it was bad. Then we said goodbye to Celine and had lunch, then said goodbye to Celine, then got our nails done. Now we're back and I have to go get my laundry from Marnie's room, which is upstairs. No, downstairs. And then I'm gonna chill for a bit because, I'm thirsty. Hang on, give me a second. I don't know if I want to go for a swim yet or after dinner. Apparently we're having a banquet or something. Like the hotel's giving us a banquet. I might go get my laundry, come back, change out of these clothes for a little bit, just to air them out a bit because they're drenched in sweat, then get back into them to go to dinner. I think it might be my plan. Something else, our tuk-tuk drivers, which, by the way, are the first female tuk-tuk drivers in Cambodia. How cool is that? Okay, but not only that, they gave us water, they gave us those towels, and then they gave us these bracelets. Oh, which do you smell? Ooh. Apparently they smell better at night. I don't know, it's a thing. Unfortunately, obviously we can't take them home because they are flowers. But look, I'm gonna wear it the rest of today. And maybe tomorrow, but we literally leave the day after tomorrow, so. Anyways, I'm gonna go look at my new nails. Bye. Picked up the laundry.